Good morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. I am also good. So today the date is 15th February 2021 and today the day is Monday. Today is Monday. Now our subject is English. So in subject English today we will write small cursive letter from A to Z. All letters in cursive from A to Z you have to write in your English notebook, and I will write all the letters on this green board, and I will also tell you the sounds of each and every letter. You have to watch the formation of each and every letter and the sound of each and every letter. You have to keep it in your mind. Formations को बहुत ध्यान से देखना, and you have to also learn the sounds of these letters. Okay. So first here in your English notebook, what will you do? In the 4 lines, can you see these 4 lines? First 4 lines, you have to put dot on third one. 1, 2, 3. On third one, you have to put dot like this. 4 dots. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. In next 4 lines, again put dot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 4 lines, again put on third line you have to put dot. Okay. Next 4 line, again I am going to put dots. Next 4 lines, again I will put dot on third line, blue one. Next 4 lines, again I will put dot. Next 4 lines, last one I will put 2 dots only in the middle. Okay, now I am going to start writing. A sounds a, apple. See the formation? Apple. B, ball. B, ball. C, cat. C, cat. D, dog. D, dog. Elephant. Elephant. Fan. Fan. G sounds g, goat. G, goat. H, hand. H, hand. I sounds e. I sounds e. Ink pot. I sounds e. Ink pot. J sounds j. J sounds j. K sounds k. K sounds k. K. L sounds l. L sounds l. M sounds m. M sounds m. N sounds n. N sounds n. O sounds o. O sounds o. P sounds p. P sounds p. Q sounds square. Q sounds square. R sounds r. S sounds s. S sounds s. T sounds t. T sounds t. U sounds up. U sounds up. V sounds w. V sounds w. W sounds w. V sounds v. W sounds w. V sounds W sounds W. X sounds cuss. X sounds cuss. Y sounds Y. Y. Z sounds Z. Z sounds Z. Z sounds Z. Again repeat these sounds. Say A, B, K, D, E, G, H, E, J, K, L, N, O, P, P, Q, R, T, T, A, V, V, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. So, what you have to do, you have to write all these small cursive letter in your English notebook. In proper sequence, you have to write these letters in your English notebook. Okay? So, learn the phonetic sounds of all these letters, learn the formation of these letters and write in your English notebook. Okay? Complete your work and then send it to me. Goodbye. Take care of yourself.